All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and we have another Zelos unboxing and added to the collection. So, wrist check. I got the emerald green hammerhead in bronze, and this is the V3. So, I also have the V version 2. It's like a purple, violet, indigo kind of color. And this one here has got the HE valve, and it's a thick boy. Solid piece. So let's go see it and open this. What's inside? So the seller was cool. He opted to send one of the new watch rolls instead of the traditional aluminum case that this watch would have launched with, and he gave me the option, and so I took the leather watch roll. Just for me, it's a little bit more practical. I obviously have a few of them, but yeah, so let's go see what is inside. And it is another bronze hammerhead. This one here I've been chasing for a long time. This is the burnt orange variant, and I'm extremely happy to have acquired this. So there it is. Very nice. Got the bronze buckle. Very excited for this. Again, just love the burnt orange. Really nice color. You can see it beside the green. Again, a bronze case, which is my favorite. And you can see the thickness with the version 2 with the valve, HE valve, and the version 3. So they slimmed this down considerably. Still similar dimensions, just the height is different. Let's go ahead and take this off. That was nice of him to throw in that extra rich strap, which is kind of nice. So there is the hammerheads at the case back. Really cool watch. All lines up. Beautiful 4 o'clock crown. This is just the NH movement on this one. They did a few versions on the V3, sorry, on the V2 with the ETA movement. But here you can see the differences. Some of the updates are just a little bit cleaner. I like the V2. I like the hands of the V3, but I like the indices of the V2. And so I think they're completely different. But that orange is just, you can see the shine here, the purple, dark purple, like going into the abyss. And then this one has that kind of burnt orange, and it just works so well with the bronze. I'm gonna see the green one here in a second. That green sunburst. Really happy. So we got 44 in diameter, I believe 48 lug to lug, and this one is, I believe, 13.5 thick. So really nice measurements. Works perfect on my wrist, 6 3/4 inch wrist, and it just hugs the wrist, especially because the lugs downturn like that. And yeah, I'm excited to be wearing this on a daily basis. I probably won't reset the patina on here because it still looks pretty good. I can, and I might, but I'm not sure yet. Just really like these watches. And yeah, I've built up quite a small collection of them just over the short time. Green. And then obviously I have the other hammerhead, which is titanium. So those are the 3 there. I also have a bronze swordfish 42. And like I said, I've just been into the the bigger watches lately. It's just a little bit more wrist presence, still comfortable on wrist. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one do you like better? The orange, the emerald green, or the chunky deep sea abyss? This one here is rated for, I believe it's 600 meters. And these ones here are 300 meters, just from the thinness. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna switch up some bracelets and just try this one on. I'm gonna swap out the leather for the summertime here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.